gonna throw these guys in there for now. So take this guy out. Don't need no carpet. Throw this guy right here. It's a nice fit, a nice overhang too, so that way it kind of protects your portion right here. Pretty nice. Nice good fit right here. It's pretty solid right there. So that should be good right there. This guy, we won't need this no more. Yeah, got the driver's side in here. Looks pretty good. Take this guy out. So obviously it's got the holes. Just gonna put this right up in here. Line up the holes. Push that down. Lock it in place. That's pretty solid right there. Definitely a nice upgrade to these carpets. So yeah, if you guys are, like I said, we'll get that rear one put in a little bit later once we get all the dog hair removed, because whoever owned this truck before had a dog and there's a bunch of dog hair, so we'll have to get that vacuum first. But at least we got the front ones in for right now. So yeah, if you guys want to get some floor mats, you can click the link in the description and get the discount on the floor mats. Once we get the other ones in, we'll probably come back and make another video of the rear one.